Hello, welcome back to my laboratory. This is Dr. Doofenshmirk, and today I have a delightful experiment for you. It involves baking soda, vinegar, and lots of explosions. No, I'm just kidding, it's fun. Now, as you see, my mustache has grown out a bit. Needs to be trimmed soon, so I hope it doesn't get singed in this experiment. That would be bad. This experiment, I'll bring in Mr. Mittens. He hates balloons, so I want to see what happens. I'm going to put some baking soda in this balloon, and then it will be full of it. So here, just a little bit. There we go. Okay, I think that should be enough. I have this bottle. Let me pour out the water. And, I'm going to pour some vinegar into it, okay? And, this is actually Doofenshmirk's H2O. It's a brand, and you can see its pH is 7 exactly. That's exactly, people. Very good brand. You should use it. So, I've poured some vinegar into this bottle. Now, I will attach the balloon to the top of the water bottle. Like so. So, now it's like that. I pour the vinegar on, and ta-da! It's beautiful! So many bubbles! I love it! So beautiful! Chemistry in action! No! Mr. Mittens! Don't leave me! Oh my dear Lord. I think I'm going to go get him.
Oh, your mustache, sir.
What?
Yeah, it singed off.
No! My friends, I have something sad to tell you. My mustache, it got singed. The bottle was so hot, and it just burned off. Oh. Okay, goodbye. See you next experiment, I guess.